Okay, hello everyone. My name is Billy Frans Maseno Purba. Now I'm presenting my presentation. This topic is coping with corrosion. Supporting lecture, Professor Dr. Jakarta Tirta India, STMT, Magister Engineering, Metallurgy C Mechanical Engineering Study Program, Faculty of Engineering, Udayana University. Okay, reference. I take the book is the Metallurgy for the non-metallurgists. Second edition edited by Arthur C. Riordan. Okay, this topic now is the first is the mechanism of corrosion, forms of corrosion, and corrosion prevention or mitigation. Okay, iron or iron oxide is refined to produce iron and steel, which can revert back to hydrate iron oxide or rust in the presence of oxygen and the water. Like the picture is the picture of the corrosion cycle of steel. Okay, in this example, the metal return to its more chemically stable state from the reaction it is with the surrounding environment. Okay, the first is the mechanism of corrosion. Metal corrosion involves a branch of chemistry called electromagnetic, which is a study of two basic types of reaction: chemical chains that produce electric and compulsory of electric currents that use chemical chains. Electrochemical reaction basically involve the transfer of electron by two types of partial reaction referred to as oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is the electrochemical process of losing an electron during a chemical reaction, while reducing is the process of consuming electron in reaction. Metal corrosion is basically the electromechanical process of oxidation and reducing, like the picture. And oxidation occurs at a site on the metal surface where a metal atom dissolved from the solid and enter the environment is position ion. Okay, corrosion cells and batteries. Both oxidation and reduction reaction must take place for corrosion to occur. During metal corrosion, there are over which the anodic and cathodic reaction occur may but vary greatly from areas a few atoms apart to areas extending to hundreds of square meters. Many small corrosion cells can form over the surface of on one material. For example, consider the example of two metals, iron and zinc, separately immersed in a weak mineral acid as shown in this picture. This picture is a corrosion of iron and zinc electrode in acidic solution. Corrosion cell occurs over the entire surface of each metal, resulting in the liberty of hydrogen gas from both metals. Okay, next is galvanic series. The previous example illustrates the basic electrochemical reaction in the corrosion of two metals. As also illustrates the aspect of the oxidative power of potential of different metals. Okay, to prepare a galvanic series, many environmental variables must be considered in measuring potential. First is some metals display to widely differing potential. Two is small change in electrolytic can change the potential significantly. And three is potential may be time dependent. Okay, in addition to oxidative power or electrochemical potential, other factors include the first is pH or acidity, and two is temperature and heat transfer, three velocity, and four solution components and their concentration. Specificity. Essentially, specificity refers to the loss of chemical resistivity experienced by certain metals and alloys under particular environmental conditions. That is, constrained metals and alloys become essentially insert and act as if they were noble metals such as platinum and gold. Okay, the next is forms of corrosion. During metal corrosion, the areas over which the anodic and cathodic reaction occur Can vary greatly. This results in various forms of corrosion, such as uniform attack, printing, and serif corrosion, like the picture is breaks in mill scale, leading to galvanic corrosion of steel. When the anode cutters, the sides are so close together that they cannot be distinguished, and when the side undergoes change and universal, with time uniform corrosion is said to occur. That small corrosion called is essentially shortcut circuit galvanic cells, which is form of corrosion. Okay, next is uniform corrosion or general corrosion. This is a corrosion process exhibiting uniform thing process without explicable localized attack. Next is intragranular or EG corrosion. EG corrosion is the professional diffusion of the anodic component, the grain boundary phase, or the zones immediately adjacent to them, usually with slight or negligible attack on the main body of the grains. Next is printing corrosion. Printing, characterized by sharply defined holes, is one of the most incident forms of corrosion. It can cause failure by perfection while producing only a small ray glass on the metal. Okay, next is craving corrosion. Craving corrosion is printing that occurs in slots and gaps is metal to metal and metal to non-metal interface. The mechanism is the development of constrained corrosion style. Next is stress corrosion cracking, K or ACC. It is defined as cracking under the combined action of corrosion and tensile stress. Stress might be applied externally or internally or residually. Next is corrosion fatigue. It is caused by repeated or fluctuating stresses in a corrosive environment. Next is latching, and next is structural corrosion. Okay, next is corrosion prevention or mitigation. Although corrosion is a seemingly pernicious process, it can be displayed by breaking the oxidation, reducing loop of an electrochemical cell. The difficulty is its complexity. In the case of galvanic corrosion between two metals, there are some less obvious options, including the first is prevent the flow of electric current by physical separation. 2 is eliminated the electrolyte. 3 is use those metals that are close together in the galvanic series, and 4 is use a large anode metal and small cathode metal. Corrosion inhibitors. Corrosion inhibitor is a substance that, when added in small amounts to a corrosion medium, reduces its corrosivity and a closed system. Okay, next is implicit current cathodic protection. Required anodes and electrical connection between the protect structure and the current source. A power spectrum supplies DC to the buried electrodes. The structure and the anode, the DC source reverses the neutral polarity and allows the material to act anodes. A typical implicit current system of a buried polyplane is shown in this picture, where cathodic protection system of for a buried steel tank. The first is original design that caused the local failure of nobody on front check buried pipeline by straight corrosion, and B is improved design, installation of second anode and insulated bus connection provide protection for both tank and pipeline, preventing stray currents. Next is the iron Purbach like this. Purbach diagram like this picture is Purbach diagram of metal potential versus pH for iron in aqueous or water solution. Now, the iron Purbach diagram is the possibility for multiple states, the corrosion, passivity, and commodity. Due to this physical barrier, oxygen and water molecules cannot easily penetrate and reach the underlying metal surface. Therefore, the corrosion process is effectively stopped, and the metal is in a passive state. Okay, this last topic. I say thank you for the watching me and attention. Thank you, and see you the next topic. Thank you.